Public transportation here is actually really good. There's one of the public buses right behind me. They are green, depending on where you are, where you're going. It can cost anywhere from €2 to €5 from the airport to get here was €3.50. Up, there's another one going by. So yeah, the island is really well connected. And if you're going on like one of those bigger tours, like Jet 2 holidays, there are the coach buses and they use those.